In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the VidIQ keyword research tool. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up VidIQ like you normally would. Then you want to go to the left menu and press over here where it says research. Then you'll notice that we'll get this page right over here, and you want to go ahead and press on keywords just like so. And this is a highly effective and honestly useful tool if you're trying to find gaps in the market, or if you're someone who is a search creator, meaning that you make search videos like how-to stuff and stuff like that. This is also going to be extremely helpful. So the way it works is that it is going to go ahead and tell you a bunch of keywords. It's going to let you know the monthly search volume, the competition, and will provide you with an overall score based on how competitive it is and how much search volume there truly is. So over here, they do give you a bunch of stuff by default, but you can actually go to the search bar right over here and do more niche specific research. So for this video, let's go ahead and type in a keyword such as Minecraft. Let's say, for example, you're a Minecraft YouTuber. You just want to go ahead and type it in, but you would just type in your niche right over here. All right, now whenever you search up a keyword, it's going to let you know the overall score, the monthly search volume, the competition, and the views per hour. So as you can tell, Minecraft is getting a very solid amount of views per hour, and it is incredibly competitive, which is to be expected as it is the most popular game on the planet. We also do have the search volume right over here. All right. Now, I also want to talk about this. Over here is related keywords. So keywords that are similar to Minecraft. So for example, we have like Minecraft mod, we got Minecraft memes, Minecraft butt, Minecraft hardcore, etc. And we also do have this option that says matching term. That will find you stuff that is like somewhat related, but a little bit different. So as you're able to tell, we got like Minecraft, shorts, hardcore, etc. But we also do have this section called questions, and this is by far the most useful one and what I personally like to use. So you can go ahead and press on questions, and then you guys could actually go ahead and look at what people are searching for. So a lot of people are searching for how to make Minecraft thumbnails, how to edit Minecraft videos, how to make Minecraft videos, how to speedrun Minecraft, etc. So if you're like a YouTuber, you're able to go ahead and actually make videos on these topics. Now, I do want to talk about some things about the VidIQ keyword research tool that I don't necessarily like. And for me, that has to be this overall score right over here. So if you first head over to VidIQ, logically speaking, you would go ahead and do the ones that have the best score out there. And even though that does sound good in theory, the thing is, it's not always accurate. So from personal experience, I have made videos on topics that have like a completely terrible score, like maybe 20 out of 100, and they done absolutely phenomenal. And I've also done it to the point where like I would do every single like topic that had the highest score, and that's still, it didn't necessarily work, because think about it, everyone else who has this tool is going to make the same video on those topics, so they actually tend to be a lot more saturated than you would initially expect. So what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and actually sort right over here. You're able to sort between score. You're also able to sort between search volume. So if you want the highest search volume terms to appear on the front, that is where you're able to do it. Same thing with competition. Or you guys can go ahead and do overall right over here. So let's look at the overall best ones. So for example, we got how to make Minecraft thumbnails right over here, how to edit Minecraft videos. We're able to go ahead and see that. Now, if you are an upcoming creator, I wouldn't necessarily recommend just making a video titled how to edit Minecraft videos, because in my opinion, that is still too vague and still incredibly competitive. You really want to narrow it down a little bit more, just so that there is less competition and so that you're fulfilling a particular need and stuff like that. So let's just go ahead and work with how to make Minecraft thumbnails. Let's click on it. And what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and look at more stuff over here, related keywords or matching terms as well. So we have more things like how to make Minecraft thumbnails in Blender, for example, in Minimator, Blockbench, etc. So let's just go ahead and select on this one. And look at this. Even though it has a significantly lower search volume. And the thing is, even though it has lower search volume, it's still a really good keyword, because less people are going to be making videos on this. And this is what we call a long tail keyword. So look, how to make Minecraft thumbnails by itself is just a regular like title. What you always want to do is you want to go ahead and include like a long tail keyword, something to specify the topic even more, because the last thing you want to do is you want to make like another generic video that has been overdone and stuff like that. You really want to narrow down your search a little bit more, and that's why I always recommend adding stuff extra. So for example, for this example, it's how to make thumbnails in Blender, and then you guys are able to go ahead and make a tutorial on this. And we even have more stuff like how to make Minecraft thumbnails in Blender in Hindi. That's even more niche, and that will also give you some pretty good results. So you absolutely love to see that. And we even do have this export button right over here. So you're able to go ahead and just download all these keywords if you want. And then it's going to open up a file like this. So you can go ahead and sort it. So that there is another useful tool. and you're able to go ahead and actually just click on the titles you like, and you can save them for later on, or you can go ahead and copy them just like so if you want to do more keyword research. And what I always recommend that you guys do is before you even like take out your screen recorder, make sure that you check that the topic actually does have pretty good search volume. You want to go on YouTube and see if there's other videos that have gotten results using those same keywords or the same title. So thankfully, VidIQ is honestly pretty good, and they do make things pretty useful. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.